Well, I'm back. I was hoping to be on the other camera by now, but I'm waiting on an SD card. So, pulling gas tank out, pulling carpet out. It's nasty. It's falling apart. I need to get all this out so I can weld up these holes where the throttle pedal went through and one of the wiring harnesses. I gotta get this welded in. Gas pedal. I built the bracket. I didn't do no pictures, videos, because I thought I was gonna be on another camera by now. Use the factory pedal. Got everything out. Got some plugs cut. Fixing to start filling holes in. Didn't find nothing interesting other than a 1983 dime. They pushed it out this week and pressure washed the inside. Years of grease. I guess that's what it is. Got 3 tacks in it, just to see. Feels pretty good. Spring's still just a little stiff. That truck had almost 300,000 on it. 250, something like that. I don't think it's gonna loosen up anymore. I think it'll do. Little fire, just a little fire up there. I got it out. We good.
Your little baby battery went dead.
Yep.
Which I mean, we figured it would.
in up there, keep blowing through. Blowing through right there. Turn the welder down, see if I can fill it back in. I didn't record this part. Torch and putty knife took all the, I'm guessing, factory sound deadener up. I don't know what them holes are from. No rust under it. Even though I do know I need inner rockers, outer rockers, cap corners. Got a few holes welded up, and a few more. I got them 2 holes. Ain't decided if I'm gonna fill them in or if that's where the LS harness is gonna come through. But I got these 2 holes over here. I'm assuming Pawpaw had an underdash AC at one time. Quite a few holes got welded. Still got a few more. He's getting there. Probably gonna be the end of this video now that I got an SD card and I can use my other camera. Hopefully videos will be better.